there, Eva here from Bizzimummy blog again, and today I have got another unboxing video for you. This is the mystery gift box from themysterygiftbox.com. I will put these details below. Now this is a monthly box. It's £25, or you can buy the one-off boxes which start at 20 up to I think they're about 100, but this is the monthly subscription. You can choose if you want a box for her, him, pets. There's quite a few to choose from. This is the box for her, so it should have a few girly bits in it hopefully, and this has cost me £25. It's not a freebie, it's not something I've been sent for review, it's something I paid for and I'm unboxing it and reviewing it off my own accord. So let's get on with it. Okay. I have got absolutely no idea what's in this box at all. There's just no clues at all. All I know is that it's something for females, for her. So let's get this tape off. There we go. Just one more. There we go. Shut my eyes as I open it. And the shoulder on. So there you go. Oh, nicely wrapped. And there's a little note that says, "We hope that you love your mystery gift box." I'll show that. And there you go. It's like it's a birthday. It's like a present. It's lovely. So I'm just gonna. There we go. So, you can get everything inside all wrapped up if you want as well. I have had a box before, one of the one-off boxes, and everything came wrapped in there. That was a box to review. If you choose to get the gift wrapping, I think it's an extra £2 a month on top of what you pay for your box. So, I'm just going to shut my eyes and a lot of fluffy, blamey packaging and lovely jubbly stuff. I'm just gonna take. Oh my god, it's chocolate! And not just any chocolate either. Look at that is so Hamilton's gourmet chocolate bar, and that is just so yummy. It's like something you see in those posh chocolate shops that you want. It's even got a ribbon and it's got like little marshmallows on it. I'm not sure how much they have. I can't imagine them being at all cheap. Not from Hamilton's anyway. It's quite a good chocolate here. Look at that. Saving it later as well, I think. There's the chocolate. And next up we've got, try not to okay. It's a lip balm. You got strawberry, I think you say it decory lip balm. It's like a cocktail lip balm. I'm just going to open this to show you. And you can see, you see that? Like a tiny one, really cool lip balm. No, I can't open it. Oh, it's a little bit tough to open. I'll probably no doubt be able to do that later. That's the lip balm. Sorry. We've also got, that's gorgeous. So this strawberry and champagne candle. Hey guys, I'm sorry about the little break I've just had. I was coughing a lot and I'm sure the last thing any of you want to see is my face coughing away in the camera, so I'm just going to do it this way instead. Also my stand's playing at what I usually mount my camera on. So as I was showing you, this is the sort this out. Oh yeah, there we go. This is the little candle that I was showing you before. It's really pretty. It smells delicious. It looks amazing. And I think it will burn quite amazing too. That is a strawberry and champagne natural candle. Okay, and what else do we have in here? Right, here. This is the that's like a little face mask. Let's just open that for you. So inside this is like a little powder that you mix with water, and you mix it in this little tub, and it's actually a little face mask that's pretty good. You go. Okay. Oh, turn it the right way. I'm still coughing. This is the it's hand creams. It's Patisserie de Bain collection of scented hand creams, and they look really nice, like all sort of fruity and flowery flavours there. Very nice. What does that say? That says, as seen on Britain's Next Top Model. So they must have been on the show at some point too. It looks really nice box, really girly. I do like that. Oh, what's this? We've got the Prosecco belt. Check this out, I'm not too sure what this is. Okay. Oh, it's an actual bell. Sorry, the camera's going everywhere. Look at that, it's so cute. And it works like a real bell. I've actually got a little collection of bells on one of my shelves. But I mean, that's gorgeous. All like pink and flowery, and I can use that to get the kids up. I don't think they'll bring me Prosecco though. Let's say ring for Prosecco. I really like that. Okay. And the next one is, this is the last one. No, yeah. Okay, so this is the final item, guys. We're getting out, and it is. Oh, so good to go. So it says, be a flamingo in a flock of pigeons. And that verse says to me, stand out from the crowd, be different, which I am. And it's all around, the design's all around, but it's actually, I do like that. It's quite a good quality cut found. Now, in my opinion, I really think that's well worth it. And I'm already looking forward to my next one, which I'll put into, because I'm going to have that munch on that in a bit actually. Well, the kids aren't here. So yep, £25 for a monthly subscription. If you're not female or you don't want female things, then that's fine, because they do boxes for the males too, as well as other themed boxes. And yeah, I think it's brilliant. Can't wait to get my next one. And also, I will be getting other subscription boxes too to show you all. I'm thinking maybe a different one every month, different things in. And also, if anyone wants to do the box swaps, then I'm still up for that. So please leave a comment below and let me know, or email me by my blog, bizzimummy.com. And that's all for today. Bye. Say bye, Ted. Bye bye. Teddy's what to say bye. Bye bye. I'm the hippo wants to say bye too. Bye bye. Bye.